Hey guys, welcome to another easy recipe video. In this video we'll be making egg fried rice Guyanese way. It's quick, easy and simple. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so now. You'll be notified whenever we post a new video every week. Enjoy. So these are the main ingredients we are going to use for the egg fried rice Guyanese style. You're going to use 4 eggs in this one, a whole medium onion, like 3 sticks of shallot, 2 mayuri pepper, Chinese sauce, black pepper and salt. Let's begin by chopping our medium onion. You can chop this anyhow you want. This is the way I like to chop it. Just gonna fast forward this clip a little, save on some time for your viewing pleasure. Okay, let's set this aside and I'll begin to chop my 2 mayuri pepper. Chop it very fine. You could get rid of the seed or keep it. In this case I'll just keep it to add with the food. Gives it a little more flavor, a little more zing. And set this aside with the onion. Let me chop up my shallot, the scallions. This we'll put last in the food when we finish cooking everything. So press it. Now let's whisk our 4 eggs. We'll add a little salt and whisk. I used the Himalayan salt in this and just some black pepper. Whisk, set aside. Now we'll prepare the rice. In most cases you could use overnight rice. It's best to use overnight rice, but I don't have any overnight rice, so what I'm going to do is boil some rice. We don't want to boil too soft because it's a fried rice. So I'm going to add my water, my rice, and let it boil. Then I will strain it and allow it to dry a little and cool down. Okay, so it's done. Time to strain it, and then we'll begin to cook our egg. Okay, let's add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and we'll add our onions with mayuri pepper. Saute this for about 2 minutes. Just let the onion and pepper get soft, or the onion can get translucent on medium heat. Then we'll add our eggs to fry it up. You can let this get scrambled or you can get it flat and then chop it up, but in this case I'll just scramble it up. Easier when you're doing an egg fried rice. Keep stirring on. Then we'll set our egg aside. Now the last steps. Let's use the same pan, add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Allow it to get a little hot. Then we'll add our rice. Like I said earlier, it's best to use overnight rice. And let's fry this up for a minute and a half, and we'll add 2 tablespoons of Chinese sauce or soy sauce. Allow this to fry up about 2 minutes. Stir it up. Add some salt, black pepper, and the main ingredient, the eggs. Give this a stir, and now finally we'll add our scallions. stir this up for another 30 seconds, and that's it. Quick, simple and easy egg fried rice. Hope you guys enjoyed that video and that recipe of the egg fried rice. Don't forget to click subscribe and check out our channel for more videos. Have fun. Until next time.